Welcome to this very special Independence Day art tutorial. Today, we're going to create a beautiful, patriotic drawing that celebrates the spirit of freedom, unity, and pride for our nation. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, this step-by-step guide will help you bring your creative vision to life. Independence Day is more than just a date on the calendar. It's a reminder of the courage, sacrifice, and determination of those who fought for our freedom. Through this drawing, we're going to capture the true essence of patriotism, featuring our national flag waving proudly, children celebrating together, fireworks lighting up the sky, and peaceful doves symbolizing hope and harmony. We'll start by sketching the base outline with a pencil. The flag will be at the center of our composition, flowing in the wind. Around it, we'll add joyful children holding balloons and sparklers, representing the happiness and unity of our people. In the background, fireworks will burst with vibrant colors, symbolizing the energy and excitement of this day. Next, we'll add details to the flag, making sure the folds and waves look realistic. Remember, every brushstroke and every line is part of telling our country's story. The doves flying in the sky will bring a sense of peace to the artwork, while flowers at the base will symbolize growth and prosperity. Once the sketch is complete, we'll move on to coloring. Bright, bold colors will bring the scene to life. Deep blues, vibrant reds, and pure whites for the flag. Warm tones for the children's clothes, and glowing shades for the fireworks. Layering the colors carefully will make the drawing stand out even more. Finally, we'll add shadows and highlights for depth, giving the scene a three-dimensional feel. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have an Independence Day masterpiece that you can proudly display or gift to someone. So grab your art supplies and let's celebrate freedom through creativity. Happy Independence Day!